Okay, got the new backhoe in the garage anyways. Getting there, just gotta figure out how to get it all mounted up, get the subframe bolted to it. I had to put the 3-point hitch back on, like I said, to put the box blade on to give me counterweight to get it off the trailer. I was hoping I'd be able to do it without it, but now I didn't want to take any chances. So I'm gonna work at getting the 3-point hitch system off of it and try to get everything hooked up. I'll bring you along. Okay, still working at getting this thing unpackaged. One thing what happened, I did try to hook up this hydraulic line to the tractor. The tractor's all bled off, that's not a problem. What I had to do was loosen this fitting up because I could not push that in because of the pressure. Might have been hot where it was last filled up with hydraulic fluid, or it could have been cold. It's cold here now, so it probably was hot where it was, and it builds up pressure in there and you can't get it off. So loosen this fitting, and then I was able to push that in, so I'll be able to get it hooked up now. Okay, day 2 here. I'm still in the process of getting this backhoe connected. One thing I ran into was I'm unable to get a pin through here. So what I'm gonna have to do is take his tire off and readjust this mount. I can get the pin in the other side, but this bracket needs to move back just a little bit. And you know, looking at the axle, this bolt is really tight to the axle. The other side, there's a little bit of a gap there. So a little bit of adjustment that I didn't know I'm gonna have to do, but we'll get it. Okay, what I had to do is I had to take both rear wheels off, and those jack stands, that's just taking a little bit of weight off the tractor. The stabilizer down, so it is stable. What I have to do is, like I said before, loosen up these brackets. I did both sides, and I wanted to make sure that we were up tight right here in the front on both sides. So I got that. Now I just need to get this so this pin works loosely. So I just have to pound these around a little bit, move them around, and make sure this thing can fit up easily next time. So that's what I'm working on. Okay, and just to recap, basically had to index these on each side to make sure that everything lines up correctly. Now the pin slides in and out really easily, which is what we're looking for an easy setup. So yeah, both sides are that way. It's something I didn't think I'd have to do, but basically just to recap, what I did is when I put it on, I could not get both pins in. They wouldn't slide in easily. The front, there was a little gap on the one side. So what I had to do was take the tires and wheels off, pull the backhoe the whole way forward with this to make that tight, and then loosen up both of these and move them until you can get the pin to slide in and out very easily. So it's nothing in the manual, it's just something I had to figure out on my own. So hope that helps. Okay, the backhoe's all installed. We'll go out and see how it does.